It's toxic to fly hypoxic. Even at 8,000 feet, low blood oxygen saturation can dull your skills, bringing on fatigue and slower reaction times. Smart pilots want their oxygen close at hand, so they're never impaired. That's why Aerox is proud to introduce the Boomula, the first headset-mounted oxygen-conserving cannula designed to make hypoxia impairment obsolete. If you're wearing your headset, then you've got your oxygen. The Boomula easily attaches to any headset and also includes a unique hard mount specifically designed for the Bose A-20. It's the world's first conserving cannula system that utilizes the Aerox OxySaver pendant and can be used with almost any portable or installed oxygen system. Just connect your existing flowmeter and go. Take a look at the breakthrough that makes oxygen impairment obsolete, keeping your skills sharp and you safe on every flight. Great looking and easy to use. It's what you expect from Aerox, where oxygen is always made easy. Find the Boomula at leading Aerox distributors or at aerox.com. Aerox, #1 in oxygen.